Hello Metafluence community, in this quick video we will show you how to acquire land plots in Metafluence City. Please keep in mind that Land Plots Sale is only available on desktop via MetaMask wallet, so before we start you need to add MetaMask wallet extension to your browser. To do that, open MetaMask website, click the download button and choose the suitable version for your device or your browser. Once you set up the MetaMask wallet, go to Metafluence map by either typing the provided link in your browser or clicking the Buy Land button on the Properties page on our website. Then click the Connect Wallet button on the top right corner to connect your wallet. Make sure that your wallet is on the Binance Smart Chain network. If you click the MetaMask icon here, you will see your balance. You can acquire land plots either with Meta or BUSD. Please keep in mind that if you choose the Meta option, you will get the land plots with a 10% discount. To acquire one land plot, you either need Meta tokens worth 95 USD or BUSD worth $105, and a very small amount of BNB for transaction fees. If you don't have any Meta tokens, you can get them from Gate.io, MXC Global, Bitmart or PancakeSwap. Once you have enough Meta in your wallet, zoom into the map and select the places you would like to acquire. As you can see, land plots on the map are in three colors: grey, yellow and red. Grey colors are empty land plots that are available for purchase. Yellow colors show special districts that are not available for purchase yet, and red colors indicates the land plots that are already owned by someone else. Please keep in mind that you can only buy a maximum of 94 land plots. Now choose the land plots you would like to obtain and click the respective Buy button. In the opening window, you can select one of the two payment options with Meta or BUSD. When done selecting, click the Buy button to initiate the process. You will need to confirm two transactions on the opening two MetaMask windows. On each of those windows, you will also see the required amount of BNB needed for each transaction, and as you can see, you will just need a very few BNBs. Click Confirm on each of the opening MetaMask windows if you agree. Congratulations! You've successfully bought your land plots in Metafluence City. Here you can see your land plots and their exact location.